Most sport yachts in the 70 to 80 foot class ask you to choose between performance and livability. The Pershing GTX80 is the first in its segment to make that trade-off irrelevant. Built by Pershing, part of the Ferretti Group, in Italy. The GTX series represents a new direction for the brand, a volume-forward hull with IPS propulsion instead of the surface drives that defined earlier Pershing models. Power comes from 3 Volvo Penta D13 IPS 1350 units, 1,000 horsepower each, 3,000 total. Top speed 34 knots, cruise 28 knots with approximately 300 nautical miles of range on 1347 gallons. The IPS configuration adds joystick docking and full redundancy. Lose one pod and you still have 2 running. 78 feet, 8 inches overall, 19-foot beam, 6 feet 3 draft at full load. Main deck runs Galley-up, a first for Pershing, creating an uninterrupted indoor-outdoor living space from cockpit to foredeck. The fold-down side balconies extend hydraulically, 40 square feet of additional deck at the touch of a button. Seakeeper gyro stabilizers run underway and at anchor. Humphrey interceptors handle trim automatically. The carbon fiber sundeck measures 247 square feet, large enough for a full dining setup, sun pads, and a second helm station. Below the waterline, 3 IPS pods give you a protection most 80-footers don't. Engine redundancy at speed, 3 or 4 cabins depending on configuration. The midship owner's suite is full beam with a king berth. VIP cabin forward, guest cabins with ensuite heads throughout. Crew quarters aft with separate access. The salon occupies nearly the full 19-foot beam with panoramic glazing port and starboard and a sliding sunroof overhead. Bottom line, this is the most practical performance yacht Pershing has built. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.